If you just bought the DJI Mini 5 Pro, these 3 drone movements alone will make your footage look high-end and cinematic. The first movement every drone pilot should master is the push-in or establishing shot. And technically, it's simple. Just push the right stick forward. But this is exactly where most beginners will also fail. A push-in only becomes cinematic when you reveal something. Instead of blindly flying toward your subject, use the environment to build depth. Try to fly at a lower altitude. Let trees, rocks or buildings pass through the foreground. Always follow leading lines like roads or rivers, and place your subject using the rule of thirds. Now your shot suddenly has dimension. The second mistake beginners make is flying too fast. The slower the push-in, the more dramatic and cinematic the shot feels. You can also add a slight altitude change or a gentle gimbal tilt to make the movement feel more dynamic. Master this one move and your footage will instantly look more professional. Now let's move to the second shot, the orbit. Instead of flying toward your subject, you now circle around it while keeping it in frame. On the controller this means combining 2 movements, a pull to the side with the right stick and the left stick pointed to the opposite direction. When you find the sweet spot and both are balanced correctly, your drone moves in a perfect circle around the subject. And that's your foundation. But the real magic of an orbit is something called parallax. Your subject stays relatively stable in the frame, while the foreground and background move at different speeds. That contrast is what creates the cinematic feeling. And here's the biggest beginner tip. Most new pilots orbit far too fast. A slow and controlled orbit always looks more professional. If possible, include foreground elements like trees, rocks or buildings passing through the frame. That little amount of extra depth is the secret sauce for a high-end drone shot. Another pro tip, always hold a shot longer than you think. Those extra 5 to 10 seconds of a smooth orbit can make a huge difference later when you're editing. Now let's move to the third and final drone movement. The top-down shot. This is the angle where you capture everything from a bird's eye perspective. But don't just hover and record. The real power of a top-down shot comes from patterns and movement. Always look for things that create strong visual shapes. By doing that, ordinary scenes suddenly become graphic and cinematic. Once your camera is pointed down, you can add a slow movement forward, sideways or downwards. Even a small motion makes the shot feel far more dynamic. If you want to master the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the best thing you can do next is watch the playlist that's appearing on screen right now. It covers everything from the best camera settings, hidden functions, general tips and color grading techniques in detail. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more drone tutorials, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.